In a marathon, James ran the total distance of 42 km in 5 hours. What was his average speed? Oh, this is actually quite simple, right? Average speed. So to find the average speed, the formula is this. Total distance divided by total time. So the total distance here will be 42 km. The total time will be 5 hours, and therefore you'll be getting 8.2 over 5 km per hour. Alright. Actually, this question is a little bit extra. Why is it extra? It's because normally when teacher asks for what is his average speed, right, they will give a few distance. They will give a few sets of distance. Like for example, 42, 56, 79, okay? And then they will add them up together, which is why there's total distance, man. So total distance means you need to add up all the distance together, right? And then they'll give you like maybe 20 km in 2 hours, 40 km in 6 hours, then like 60 km in 400 hours, whatever. Then you need to add the total time together. But in this case, they're only giving you one distance at one time. So this is like a free question for you. Okay? Take note for average speed, right? Normally you have to add up all the distance. This is why I put total distance. I didn't just put distance divided by time. Average speed is total distance divided by total time. And then you'll be able to get this answer. Alright? Done?